Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Sorout and this is my cs50p final project expense tracker. It is a Python application that helps users record and manage their daily expenses using a JSON file. This project consists of four main files. First is project.py and it contains the main program and all the functions. And second is test project which contains the PyTest test cases. And third is expenses.json which stores all the expense data, and fourth is requirement.txt contains project dependencies. Since I only used Python standard library, the requirements file is empty. So now let's take a demo. When the program starts, it displays a menu with different options. To add expense, we simply choose one and we fill the category like example food, and amount would be example 200, and name of the product would be burger. So now the expense is saved in the JSON file. To view the expense, we can simply click to, and here is our expenses. And to view total expenses till now, so we can simply click 3, and here is our total expenses. So for filtering the expenses by category, we can simply click choose 4, and we will click category food, and here is our expenses related to that category. And to exit the program, we can simply choose 5 and we can quit the program. And here you can see one expense is stored in the expenses.json. While building this project, I use several Python concepts including functions, loops, conditionals, dictionaries, lists, exception handling, JSON file handling, and automated testing with PyTest. This project helped me understand how to organize code in reusable functions and store persistent data using JSON files. Thank you for watching my CS50 final project demonstration.